Want to know the truth behind what is harming you in the average daily rate and RevPAR story? Revealed in a jiffy. Elena is the revenue manager of Paradise Hotel. She is obsessed with pricing. She often tells her competitors how she commands the top ADR in the market. Her hotel rates are pegged very high despite the fact that her hotel is a luxury hotel. She feels on top of the world. One day, her owner walks into the office and asks why the hotel operation is so quiet. Elena immediately jumps to defend her hotel room price tag. However, the owner wants to know why hotel beds are empty. Indeed, Elena had gone after the rates. On the other hand, occupancy had suffered disastrously. She had left money on the table, which her competitors had gladly latched onto. In the hotel industry, many managers fall prey to what is known as vanity metrics. Simply stated, these are metrics connected to egos more than realistic business rationale. However, revenue management fundamentals talk about the power of the combination of price and business volume. Price is ADR and business volume is occupancy. ADR is single dimensional and ignored the disastrous effect on the occupancy and eventually revenue. She might have prevailed on the price factor, but had hopelessly lost the revenue factor. This forced Elena to change her ways. She now turned her attention to the multi-dimensional KPI of RevPAR. Notice how RevPAR, unlike ADR, considers both price as well as business volume. Price is ADR and business volume is occupancy, as explained earlier. With a new learning, Elena took quick action. She adjusted the price to bring back customers who had turned away by the excessive pricing. There was almost a magical effect on occupancy. Not surprisingly, it went up significantly. Remember that any price changes affect the occupancy as well. With the occupancy percentage skyrocketing, RevPAR 2 increased significantly. This is despite the lowered ADR. This is the magic of balance between ADR and occupancy reflected in the RevPAR. To state it in dollar terms, she was adding a significant chunk for every room and for every night, and all with a simple tweak in her revenue management approach. What is the moral of the story? More importantly, ADR is high price, but RevPAR is high yield. Let's look at 3 takeaways. Realize that ADR is single dimensional, only price, while RevPAR considers both ADR and occupancy. It is thus a better KPI, and most importantly, RevPAR reflects the powerful yield factor. Interested in knowing the full truth about the power of the RevPAR? Watch above video.